Hey everybody, so Don in the mastermind group was asking about a landing page for a free list of homes for sale in support of an open house. And this could be a great ad, post, other types of marketing for great buyer leads. So you see here, we got the text for the landing page, got a great video in the background. I've got a countdown counter here. Next list will be sent just to get some FOMO going. I want to make sure that people understand that this is something going out pretty much daily. So I could even put that for 9 hours. And that will definitely get more people to fill that out. So let me show you real quickly how easy it is to create that landing page or anything similar. So in the landing page tab in listings to leads, click create landing page, add new landing page, drop down, select custom landing page buyers, give it a name. So in this tape, I'll just go long vote key, create landing page. And within about 2 minutes, we can have this done. Just working our way down the left-hand side. The only thing I would, and I'm in a hotel out of country right now, so if the load is a little bit slow, that is why. So here we go. Put us in the editor. So I was going to say, pay attention to your autoresponder, which is in advanced options, and you'll see some other things there as well that I'll touch on. So first of all, change your image. I'm going to go to a video, click upload video. And we got a lot of different videos here. You can go to stock videos. I've already got one here, but I can go to stock videos and find different videos for use. We can do a solid color. Again, I can do a different image there. I can put a third-party video here, collapse that. Social media share image. And I don't know what that's going to be yet, so I'll come back to that, but let's not forget about that for sure. Styles and color, you can play around with that as needed. That'll pull from your profile. Custom page content. Now, since I've already done this landing page, I know what I'm going to do here. And what I'm going to do is, because this link will be in the mastermind group with this video. So I will just copy and paste, or you can type into the headline area, whatever you want. Your start and end date. So again, I want to, a little bit of FOMO. I want people to really go, yeah, I want this list. It's not something that's going to get sent out in a month from now or 2 weeks from now. So we got the custom page content, lead form text. So here's a title, description, and call to action. And again, you can type in there whatever you want. I will take this, I will paste it in, I will edit it so that you can see how easy it is for you if you want to just do that yourself. In the second part, paste that into the description. I could say, get the free list. Preview. And then we'll save it. And that blue, the gold, all that color can be changed. Again, I could have a different video. You could upload your own video. You can even put video to the right or the left of the text right here. So if you got a great video yourself of doing something from page 1, let's go to page 2. And then we've got your success page. This can be edited as well down here. So I can come down here and edit this text as well. Under advanced options, I want to make sure you understand the autoresponder here. If you can turn it on, and you might say your free list of new coming soon and all market listings, whatever you want to do here and then just add them to whatever IDX or type of email list that you've got. And that, again, that's what I always say, talking about to have great relationships with other agents in your area so that you can really find out more of these off-market listings that maybe somebody has that it's either coming soon in a couple of weeks and they can't show it. And so that's still good to know because you can still, again, create a little bit of FOMO in your people that, hey, there is a new listing coming up. So get ready. I'll let you know as soon as it's available. And sometimes you might be able to actually get a showing a little bit earlier as needed. So anyways, getting those off-market listings is really key, obviously coming soon. But this is obviously a great way to engage with your audience. So if you have any questions on how to do that or anything else, let me know and we'll talk to you soon.